flowers, and I'm going to use these materials to make letters and shapes. So for instance, I can use rocks to make a circle. You can use sticks to make a letter, such as a T. And then I could also make a square out of these. I'm going to use the flowers for decoration and the leftover rocks. Doing this can get kids out with hands-on activities and involved in nature and being outside. It can help with mathematical skills because they can count the sticks and the rocks they use. Also, they will be able to learn their shapes and their letters by making them out of these materials. So I made a square, and they can count 4 sticks for making the square, and they can count 2 sticks for making the T. They can count how many rocks they used to make the circle. So